I love making something out of nothing. I'm not trained, but I am brave and determined. Of course, I could hire a professional, but DIY first. All right, guys, procrastination time is over. I have been procrastinating this outdoor, like, aesthetic area because I've been more focused on the garden and trying to get that situated. But my hand has kind of been forced. I got company coming today, and outside looks like a disaster. So Corey and I are going to tag team it this morning and try to get the yard and stuff looking decent. Also, if I have time, I'm gonna try to get the front porch situated as well, and we'll just see how we do. I have about 2.5 hours. I also need to go to the store and get some food, so that's a thing. But we'll just see how it goes. Doesn't pay to procrastinate. You know, the other day when I was out here in the garden, I was saying that wasn't what I was planning to do. I was planning to do this, and then I didn't do it. So now I'm rushing, as usual. So let me get to work. I have several like pots and stuff with old soil that I do want to keep. I'm gonna harvest that soil to either mix in with compost or reuse later. So, and I need to look at these chairs. So these are the lounge chairs that I had in the corner last year, and I didn't realize that the lacing and stuff is coming off, is broken. It is, I saw that you can buy replacement of this mesh and the laces. You can buy replacements, and I think for maybe like $20 per chair or something. So I may think about that, or I may just do something different. But since they're messed up, I'm gonna fold them up and just store them for now until I decide what I want to do. Got one section cleared. Now work on this section. More of the free boxes I got the other day. I got all these boxes now, I gotta store them somewhere. Get out of there. Excuse me. See what I have to deal with. Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you mind? Where?
There you go.
He like, hey, what's happening? Where, my home. What's Look how he keep up with it.
That's all pretty too. Look at the colors.
He's like, what is going on? My home. Sorry, buddy. We got work to do. I was gonna put the leaves over here in this little cubby around the corner, or I can put them on the sidewalk. Those bags.
Yeah, I need to cut all that.
So maybe on the sidewalk over here, behind the curtain. Okay, the makeshift storage section, I guess. Okay, so back here, I've gone as far as I can go. So I'm just waiting on Corey to finish cutting the grass back here, and then he's gonna blow everything off. So I'm gonna go ahead and go up to the front and put the front porch back together. And this is just gonna be like a really quick refresh. I just took all the Christmas stuff away, or the winter decor away, and it's just been sitting on my dining room bench. So this will be good to get rid of that stuff and put it up officially, and just put out the spring stuff. So I'm just gonna do that real quick, and I might get to put some plants in the dirt, but I'm not gonna push it because I still need to go to the store and get some things. So let's just reset the front porch really quickly, and then we will see how much time we have left.